So we are continuing with chapter 4 of geography, that is agriculture. And today we will be focusing on technological and institutional reforms along with impact of globalization on agriculture. Agriculture, which provides livelihood for more than 60% of its population, needs some serious technical and institutional reforms. Thus, collectivization, consolidation of holdings and abolition of zamindari, etc. were given priority to bring about institutional reforms. The Green Revolution promised improvement in the condition of marginal and small farmers. In the 1980s and 1990s, a comprehensive land development program was initiated, which included both institutional and technical reforms. Provision for crop insurance against drought, flood, cyclone, fire and disease, establishment of Grameen banks, cooperative societies and banks for providing loan facilities to the farmers at lower rates of interest were some important steps in this direction. Kisan Credit Card, Personal Accident Insurance Scheme are some other schemes introduced by the Government of India for the benefit of the farmers. The Government of India made concerted efforts to modernize agriculture by establishing the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, agricultural universities, veterinary services and animal breeding centers, horticulture development, research and development in the field of meteorology and weather forecast, etc. Today, Indian farmers are facing a big challenge from international competition. The growth rate in agriculture is slowing down, which is an alarming situation. Subsidy on fertilizers is decreased, leading to increase in the cost of production. Reduction in import duties on agricultural products has proved detrimental to agriculture in the country. Farmers are withdrawing their investment from agriculture, causing a downfall in the employment in agriculture. Globalization has exposed the Indian farmers to new challenges. Genetic engineering is recognized as a powerful supplement in inventing new hybrid varieties of seeds. Today, organic farming is much in vogue because it is practiced without factory-made chemicals such as fertilizers and pesticides. Indian farmers should diversify their cropping pattern from cereals to high-value crops. This will increase incomes and reduce environmental degradation simultaneously. So here it comes to an end. Thank you.